come from the best internationally renowned cattle breeding stocks and are subjected to thorough cleanliness, hygiene, health, and environmental programs. The nutritional well-being of our cows is ensured by the use of the finest type of fodder that allows for the production of the best quality of milk worldwide. There are over 70,000 cows on our farms, and in the future, this number will increase to 110,000 cows. The biggest indicator to our success is the presence of 70 production lines that offer our consumers a choice of over 140 nutritional products. Al-Marai production includes a wide variety of food products that include yogurts, juices, cold desserts, whose ingredients are heavily dependent on milk, and varying types of cheese. Having established ourselves as pioneers in the provision of fresh milk and yogurts to all families through varying points of sales, we went on to diversify this production to include new products such as layered fruit yogurt, custard, creme caramel, chocolate pudding, vanilla pudding, and others.
أننا نحافظ على هذا النجاح بالالتزام بتطبيق نظام جودة محكم، حيث أننا نقوم بإجراء حوالي 5000 تحليل مختبري في اليوم. دوافعنا بذلك دوافع كل أب وأم حريصين على تقديم الأفضل والأجود لأبنائهم.
Our success in producing a wide variety of juices is another one of our achievements. It was made possible because of our quality control system, which monitors and qualifies all of our fruit suppliers. The Al-Marai farm was the first dairy farm in the world to receive the ISO 9002 award, and one of the most successful companies in the Gulf region, according to the Conference on Successes held in Bahrain. Our success in the cheese industry was due to our thorough understanding of the consumer's needs and our financial investment to meet those needs. We understand our consumers' needs and produce convenient and suitable products that come in innovative packages and practical servings. We keep developing and designing the most practical packaging that preserves the product. Take, for instance, the transparent milk pack and our various modern packages. Al-Marai uses advanced temperature-controlled storing systems. The products are transferred to large vats to be stored at a low temperature, making sure that they remain fresh and to pass through a computerized terminal that automatically records the data of every product passing, such as the type, the date, expiry date. Once a purchase order is received, the products leave to the markets and the computer records the exit. The final products are then